Now, this is how the wig comes straight out of the package. I went straight into the styling. I am using my In This Hot comb. I have it on the highest temperature setting, which is 20, and I am just smoothing out the hairline. After I smooth out the hairline, I smoothed out the parting space. Now let's get straight into the styling. I'm going to split a huge chunk of hair in the middle and then use my Babyliss Prima flat iron on the temperature setting 410, and I'm just going in and bumping the hair really quick. So this next part could really help make or break the top of your wig. When I do the parting space area on the frontal, I like to section that off. I pin up the hair and then use my flat iron. After I straighten it, I use the Myfirstwig flyaway tamer, and this just helps get rid of those flyaways. I smooth some onto the root of the hair, getting that heat from the iron to melt the product in really well. Now let's see how our end result is really looking.